Impression of the gorilla trekking. It was a really cool experience, really great. I really enjoy it. The weather was not with us, but you forgot it when you're just next to the gorillas. You forgot everything and you just watch, and it's really peaceful, and I really appreciate it. Yes.
Oh, it's amazing. Yeah, they're so similar, I think, to us, the way they nurture their babies and their behavior. It's really a wonderful experience.
It was very interesting. It still is. So there's one of the males in the back showing off. It was really good to see the group, how they interact, and what everyone's role is in the group. I really liked it.
So you don't think 750 is expensive?
It is expensive, but I think it's well spent. It's worth it, and I think look around all the guys guiding us through the forest. So it gives them a living, and the gorillas are looked after very well.
Oh, I just love this experience. This is fun, a bit cold, but still. I just love the way. I just love the silverback. He seems like the dominant male. It's one really good experience. Thank you.
So you're happy?
Yeah, I loved it.
Thank you.
We just come on holiday from Masai Mara and Amboseli. This was one of our dreams, to be able to see the gorillas. The gentlemen here have been rather helpful. We had a pleasant experience. We hope to come again.
We have to do that until everyone.